Asa ka na?
Hi.
Hi. Hatid na si V sa school. 6:35. Maaga-aga pa naman for 7 p.m. Ang pinakahari na mga meow-meow. Si Tandang masungit. Pero malambing. Good morning. Breakfast. May natamis na saging and coffee. Today is, anong date yan? May 8? May 8. Ah. May 8, 2024. Tadang! Watching Hogan Twins.
These fixed, I'm going to get fired, and then I'm also going to get my toes pedicure done.
Okay, finally! Umulan na! Ito yata yung first ulan nitong summer season. Or, yeah. 5:06. Sunduin na natin si V. Nandiyan ang helmet niya. Let's go! Musta? Hi! Andun na yung helmet mo. 5:17. Okay, so upon recording this video, it's already May 9, 12:47 na madaling araw. Share ko lang na nagising ako May 8, 2 a.m. around 2 a.m. nagising ako kasi natulog ako ng pagkahaba-haba, like 13 hours I think natulog. So nagising ako 2 a.m. ng May 8. So now it's already May 9. Hindi na naman ako nakatulog kasi hindi ako matulog. So share ko na lang sa ibang video kung bakit ganon yung pattern ng tulog ko. Actually akala ko na ayos na kasi nung isang araw okay na yung so it's May 9, 2024, Thursday, and it's 12:58 a.m. Nagwa 1 o'clock na. Outside pachuchay. Oh, galit ka na naman. Ano na naman? Ba't nagagalit ka? Ha? Pachuchay? Ano na naman? Sino nagpalabas sa'yo? So, it's 2:10 a.m. Thursday, May 9. So, gumawa na ako ng outline ng sasabihin ko para my thoughts are not all over the place. So, just sharing this. May 5, that was Sunday. Nakatulog naman ako ng 10 p.m. after ng family dinner namin. That's the Fernandez Lopez Soriano family dinner. So, I'll try to share yung after nito. Share yung picture or video ng dinner. So, yeah. So, I woke up around 5 a.m. ng May 6. That is Monday. And, good thing is, mas nauna akong magising sa alarm clock. And, may makulit na pusa. May makulit na pusa. So, going back, dahil may makulit na pusang nanggugulo, si Chuchay Pachuchay. So, I had a good sleep naman. Kaya, I was able to prepare V's baon. Ako na din yung nakapag or naghatid sa kanya. And, diba, yun dapat yung tamang sleep pattern. So, sana magtuloy-tuloy na. Para, of course, we can do our mama and wifey duties properly. Diba? So, yun. So still same day, that's Monday, May 6. 7 p.m. sinundo ko si V. Nagstay sila ng late yung mga OBN kasi member si V ng choir ng OLPS ng school. So yeah, and dahil may practice sila for their upcoming performance. So that day around 10 p.m. nakatulog naman ako, but I was not feeling well. Though manageable, may nakain or may nainom lang akong without hindi maganda sa tummy ko. So dahil nga upset stomach tayo, 2 a.m. ng Tuesday, that is May 7, nagising ako. And trinay ko pa siyang itulog pero wala talaga. So yun, since I'm not feeling well, si James na yung asikaso kay V. Yun. Siya na naghatid. And by the way, night shift si James, work from home. So after ng shift niya, nag 40 minutes walk or jogging muna siya dito sa loob ng subdivision. And after nun, hinatid niya na si V sa school. Then diretso ng palengke kasi mamamalengke si Papa James. 12:15 p.m. Nakauwi na si V since half day lang sila. Around 12:30 p.m. nakaramdam ako ng antok. So sabi ko kay V, idlip lang ako, power nap lang. Gisingin niya ako after 30 minutes. Kaso hindi ko maintindihan or hindi ko alam kung ano na nangyari. Nagising ako ng Wednesday, that is May 8, 2 a.m. Yun. So imagine yung 13 hours of sleep, 'di ba? So bumalik na naman tayo sa 24 to 36 hours na gising, then tulog ng 12 to 16 hours. So pangit na naman ang sleep pattern natin. Hindi nagtuloy-tuloy yung magandang nasimulan nung Sunday. Yun. Actually, sabi pa nga ni V, ang sinabi ko before ako makatulog. Sabi niya, uwe, sure ka? Magigising ka? Dahil nga, alam niya, talagang pagka ako natulog, literal tulog. Sabi nga nila, pagka nagkasunog, kasama ako masusunog. Kung walang magbubuhat sa akin. So, ganun. Katindi. Kaya nga, nung nanakawan kami way back, hindi din kami nagising. Ako pala, hindi ako nagising. So, yeah, until this hour, this very hour, it's already what, 2:38 ng May 9. I am still awake, alive and kicking. Diba? Gising na gising. Yun. So, I just wanna share na binubuhay ko ulit tong personal vlog ko kasi personal vlog ko to kasi we also have a family vlog, yung Kape at La Mierda. Normally yun yung YouTube channel namin, yung sa biking, rides, ng motor, anything about family. Yun. So, this is my personal vlog. Binubuhay ko tong channel ko na to. Hindi para magpa-trending or magpasikat, but actually to monitor my progress and also to share my journey. A journey of a person diagnosed of anxiety and major depressive disorder, that's MDD. And yes, I was diagnosed by a psychiatrist. Hindi ko lang talaga makita yung med-cert ko. Kasi I was diagnosed last year July. And hindi ko na makita. And I went on medication for that. So we can talk about that some other day. But again, this is a journey of a person diagnosed with anxiety and major depressive disorder. And yun nga, sabi ko nga, I was diagnosed by a psychiatrist. And that's it for now. And see you on my next vlog. Thank you very much for listening and watching. Let's be kind because kindness is free. See you.
Ang kwenta yung ride na bagay yun.
Okay.
May pwesto ba yung sa camera, Dad? Kasi sa Manila. Or, I don't know. Yan pala ang dapat na tripod. Look na. May number pa naman. Picture talaga. Picture nila. Requirement siya sa ano.
Oo, requirement talaga.